Alright guys, welcome back. So quick update on the truck. Got the truck running and everything, test drove it, and as you guys saw, it was running really rich. It was running all the way like on the 9th side, and I tested my tuner and he said that is pretty rich, and it was running kind of like if it had a multiple misfire, as you guys saw. I don't know if you guys can tell on the video, but it's running like it's got multiple misfires and it's struggling to like shift, and once it shifts, it kind of like shifts hard. I told him if the richness can cause that. He said yeah. So took the computer off, got the scanner beeping over here, but took the computer off, took it to him. He took some fuel out of it, and then he ran down through like the things that, you know, make sure you have E85, make sure you got the right injector, blah blah, just making sure I have everything right, because that's what he's tuning it for. So he's just trying to make sure I got everything right. The E85 that's on here, it might not even be full E85. It might be mixed with the 93. It does smell pretty strong like E85, so I'm thinking it is full E85. But either way, even if it is full E85, it's been sitting there for maybe more than 4 months, 5 months, and E85 goes bad pretty quick. So I'm pretty sure it's bad E85. I got some fresh E85 here. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it to Manny's, drop the tank, take the fuel out of it, and then put the fresh E85 in it. It does drive better when he took some fuel out of the tune, so at least it's driving a little better. Still driving around like 11ish, 12. That's a little rich still. It's supposed to be running like 13, 14, maybe even 15. I'm gonna just go ahead and change the gas. That way I know for sure there's fresh E85, and if it continues to still run rich, then that means I got other problems, and then look into other things, and I already know there's fresh E85 in it and I just kind of doubt it. Everything's pretty much the same here. I did put the fuel regulator back. I put one full return line hose, that way there's no leaks anymore, because that's where I was looking for them. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. For those that are wondering, it's a Innovate Motorsport solenoid controller, and it's also AFR. Still running on 11. That's still pretty rich. So far, not that bad. 12ish. If it could be at least in the 13s, that wouldn't be that bad. There it goes. That goes on the 13s right there. That's a lot better. Who wants to see me daily drive this? Comment down below. I know I want to daily drive it. I just gotta put the clamps back on. That should be it. Then this is the front one. Alright, so that's it down here. I'll lower it down, put some fuel in it, and then start it up, see what it does. Down she goes. Alright, let's see. Probably taking a while to burn off the fuel that was on the fuel rails and on the fuel line, so it might take a little while to make a difference. Appreciate you loaning me your lift.
Always.
Hopefully it dries better. Still running pretty rich. So I'm gonna have to figure it out and see what it is. Alright, we made it. It's actually running richer now. I don't know what's going on with that. I might have to just get it to him, let him figure it out. I'll keep you guys updated. You guys will see another video of it pretty soon. I'm not sure what, because I'm still kind of trying to figure out what's wrong with it and stuff like that, trying to get it 100%. That way we can schedule the dyno tune, because he's pretty far out on dyno tunes. Stay tuned for the next video of the truck. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.